Is it you or is it me? Is there enough or am I insane? I might just be insane. A redhead girl, I don't know your name. I've been feeling a lot about you lately. Yesterday I cried in the rain. Last night I was lying wide awake. Is it you or is it me? Is there enough or am I insane? Wanna crawl into your bed and stay in my mind. You call up on me. I think I'm gonna die if I have to take one more day without your face. Now you might just be gone. What the hell have I done to myself? Now she might just be gone. What the hell have I done to myself? La da 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 da.